Hey guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here. I am in front of my pepper seed starting rack. I'm wanting to do a little bit of an update a few weeks post pruning my pepper plants, thinning them or cutting them out to allow for a thicker base. So I'm going to grab one. So you can see we've got a lot of new growth, and I'm going to bring this over on top of my washing machine, and then we're going to go through what I do next with my pepper plants. So here is our full flat of pepper plants that had been pruned, and the one thing you'll notice is just how big some of these leaves are. Now if I pull this back, you see they're really big, you'll see this new growth that has developed. And that is what we want to allow to continue to grow and get all of that light. So the next step in the pepper pruning process, you can bring these out, and you could bring these outside and plant them. These leaves will be fine left on there, but I'm going to keep growing them inside. And so what I'm going to do is go through this flat and take these larger leaves and just cut them off close to the stem. I do not do this until these plants have developed a good amount. See right here we've got the double stem, so we're going to have a nice thick plant, and then we have about 3 or 4 true leaves on that thick stem there. So we're going to take these off, pile them up. So there you have it. That is how I go through and thin the plants out. We'll tilt this here. But the key is we're now going to allow for maximum growth in these new areas. Just like this right here, where you can see we're starting to get some good leaves, and then the ones next to it we have a lot of new leaf growth, and that is perfect. And then this should be my last pruning. From this point on, I'm going to let them grow. A few of these, like this one here, actually did not get thinned because he was a little smaller last time around, so I might need to cut him back, but I'll probably just plant him a little deeper in the ground. But this right here is exactly what you want. You can see how rigid and strong these stems are, nice and thick, so we're not going to have to stake these peppers up. This is how I like to do it. That is all for today. I am Plant-Based Gabriel with my water heater behind me and a handful of pepper leaves that'll head out to the compost pile. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Check out some more videos and recipes from the Vegan Kitchen or our 1 Acre Vegan Farm. Again, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below or on Facebook at The Plant-Based Gabriel. I will see you in another video very soon.